आपको भी मौका देंगे पहले माननीय मंत्री जी को। हाँ, प्रोसीजर अर्जी पॉइंट क्या होता मान्य रविशंकर जी, मान्य रविशंकर जी,
सर देयर आर टू थिंग्स सर।
अभी रुकिए साहब, बाद में पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर।
सर देयर आर टू थिंग्स, फर्स्ट इज मूविंग द बिल एंड देन इंट्रोड्यूसिंग द बिल। I will move the bill before introduction. Let them make their comment and I will reply to it. That's very simple. That's the rule.
उनको खड़े होकर बोलना है, उसके बाद बुलाएंगे इनको।
अनुमति, केवल अनुमति मांग रहे हैं। माननीय सदस्य केवल अनुमति मांग रहे हैं।
Sir, Sir, let me again clarify. I am only seeking the leave of the Honorable Chair to move the bill. Thereafter, they can put their objection. I will reply and introduce the bill. It's very simple. I beg to move for leave to introduce a bill to protect the rights of married Muslim women and to prohibit divorce by pronouncing talaq by their husbands and to provide for matters related therewith or is illegal thereto.
शशि थरूर जी, चलिए शशि थरूर जी, माननीय सदस्य गण आपको बुला रहे हैं।
He has begged leave to introduce.
वो अनुमति मांग रहे थे केवल।
I regret to state that I rise to oppose the introduction of the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill 2019. I am not defending triple talaq, but I am opposing the text and draft and thrust of this bill. This bill conflates civil law and criminal law by criminalizing the act of triple talaq, which is an irregular form of divorce already null and void in our country post the decision of the Supreme Court in Shaira Banu versus Union of India. If the purpose of the bill is to address the subsequent acts related to triple talaq, the question before us is simple. Is the action of abandoning or deserting a wife and family without responsibility the criminal act, or is the form of desertion, namely doing it by uttering talaq?
आप जब बिल पे डिबेट हो, जब डिटेल बोले इनके प्रेमचंद।
I have to give my reasons for opposing, sir. I'm giving you 3 reasons for opposing the bill. So the question is, because sir, abandoning or deserting wives and dependents is not unique to the Muslim community, why not make a law which universally criminalizes the abandonment of family and dependents without taking responsibility, instead of just focusing on one community?
आप जब डिबेट हो, जब पूरी बात कहना।
No, sir. Let me explain, sir.
आप डिबेट हो, जब पूरी बात कहना।
Not a debate. It's the reasons for opposing introduction.
हाँ, तो रीजन आप रीजन बता दीजिए।
I'm giving it to you, sir. By framing
नहीं,
the law.
ऐसा नहीं है माननीय सदस्य।
Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, you have witnessed many such debates. You have witnessed many such debates. Opposing introduction takes a few minutes, but not very many.
Yes, yes.
By framing a law specifically criminalizing only Muslim husbands for a void act, an act already declared void by the Supreme Court like triple talaq, without having a universally applicable law for the act of desertion, the bill is a textbook example, as the law minister well knows, of what is called a class legislation, which is pointed at one community or class, and that violates Article 15 and 14 of the Constitution. That's my first objection. Second, the bill does nothing to improve the status of Muslim women who suffer from numerous other difficulties, including the right to unilateral divorce by their husbands, being coerced to engage in nikah halala and so on. Therefore, this bill cannot claim the benefit of the exception under Article 15(3) or special provisions. Instead of protecting Muslim women, all this bill does is it punishes Muslim men.
N.K. Premchandan.
So finally, the bill also doesn't have any procedural safeguards and can be easily misused, thereby violating a person's rights under Article 21. I would
N.K.
therefore
Premchandan.
ask that instead of introducing the bill, he refer it to a standing committee, Your Honourable Speaker.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir, for giving me this opportunity to oppose this bill.